Okay guys, so what happens here is questions 1 to 10 here, okay? What questions 1 to 10 ask you is basically write the following questions 1 to 10 in the form A by root B. Now the thing is about this is that we just have to use the calculator, okay? And when we use the calculator, what we can see is if I want to do the answer for root 8, all I have to do is put in the square root of 8, and you can see that the answer is 2 root 2. So my answer is 2 root 2. If I have to do question 7, which is root 54, all I have to do is put in root 54. Answer is 3 root 6. The questions 1 to 10 are that easy. Now, these questions you'll recognise from the last exercise. Okay? Now, the difference between these questions and the questions that you did in the last exercise is they can't be solved using the reference number. And I'm going to tell you the giveaway on this question. When you read the following words, solve these following equations. These are exactly the same language as you did in the last exercise. The key difference is this language here. In the form A plus or minus root B, that's a dead giveaway for the minus B formula. And another dead giveaway for the minus B formula is corrected 2 decimal places. When you see this language, you know that the reference number method won't work. That's how you remember. Now, to do the minus B formula, we're going to do 2 questions. Okay? I might do question 22 and I'll do question 16. Okay guys? So, the minus B formula is in the cover of your maths tables, and this is what it looks like. Now, to do the minus B formula, there's a general formula called ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay, now the rule is whatever number, you listening? Whatever number comes in front of the x squared is a. A equals 1. Whatever number comes in front of the x is b. I'll always write down what minus b is then directly underneath that.
Before 13 is c?
Before c is 13. And then I'll say b is minus 8.
Do we do number 20 or number 16?
I'm doing 16 I'm doing 16 for everybody, and then I'll do 22 for everybody, and then I'll leave you your work. Okay? Now guys, you put into this here. Now what I'm going to show you guys is this. Minus b is minus 8. Plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Please use brackets for everything. B squared minus 4 brackets. You always do it this way. See the way I haven't even put anything in yet? I've just written down my brackets. I need you guys to do it this way. Now, what happens is b squared is 8 squared. 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 13. And then the a value is 1.
Can we just type that equation into our calculator?
Going to get there.
Okay.
Why did you do that? On the right.
Because it's right.
This here.
No, I know what that is.
This, that's just to explain whatever letter. This here is to explain that whatever number comes in front of the x squared is a, whatever number comes in front of the x is b, and whatever number is left is c. Yes, Sean?
How come it's not minus 8 in the thing you just put in there?
Because it's the minus b formula. So I have to use minus b and not plus b.
Oh, okay.
Okay? That's why I do it there. Now guys, upon completion of this, what you need to do next is you go to your calculator, and the only part you're going to do is see this part here in the, see this part here that I'm circling in green. That's the part I want you to do in your calculator.
On the square root.
Okay? So what we do here is we say, okay, square root of 8 squared, so open your brackets up, minus 4, bracket 1, bracket 13. And then once you're done that, guys, 2 root 3. Is that right?
The answer?
Not the full answer, but the answer to the green part is 2 root 3. Okay? Now, once you've done that, what you're going to get is minus 8. Oh, sorry. You're going to get minus 8 plus or minus 2 root 3 all over 2. Now, what I'm asking you guys to do is trust your calculator, okay? So what I mean by trusting your calculator is doing this. Basically, minus 8 plus 2 root 3 over 2 is one answer. See the way it's plus and minus? And then the second answer is minus 8 minus 2 root 3 over 2.
Yeah,
Now,
write that all in one calculator.
now I'm going to write each one into the calculator individually, okay? So what's going to happen is I'm going to go up here and sorry guys, just going to bring that up here. Now look at this guys, okay? I'm going to write this into the calculator on top. So what you can see is that it's going to be minus 8. Now press the fraction button at the very beginning. So press the fraction button first. Now enter it in. Minus 8 plus 2 root 3. Oh sorry. Yeah. Plus 2 root 3. All divided by 2. Now, the thing is, that's minus 4 plus root 3. Okay, so minus 4 plus root 3. Now, the thing is, if that one's minus 4 plus root 3, the other one is the same, except it's a minus. Okay? And then, all we gotta do then, is when you go to your calculator, okay, to put it into decimal places, what you do is you press the change button, and you get minus 2.26, but you gotta round it up to 27. Because the question says 2 decimal places. Minus 2.27. Okay, so the first answer is minus 2.27. And then I have to find out the answer for minus 4 minus root 3. So minus 4 minus root 3 is going to be minus 4 minus root 3. Oh, sorry. That happens sometimes when you use the wrong minus sign. So let's go again. Minus 4 minus root 3, and press the change button and you get minus 5.73. Now guys, that's how you do. I won't actually get around to doing the second one, so for homework tonight I'd like you to do these 4 here. Okay?